guys, you're like, why are you not posting videos a lot? I am officially going to tell you the reason of why have I not been posting videos lately. Okay. Here's why. Because I really want to focus on other stuff more than posting videos. Like playing with my friends. So I'll quit for 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. 2 full months. Okay? So I'm not spending time playing with my airplanes and my friends. Because I feel like playing with them and looking at birds and nature. So, bye guys. This is